If you don't know how to cook, then me, my mom, my dad, and my sister will teach you how to cook.
Hey guys, and welcome to the kids edition of Coast to Coast. Today we're going to make pigs in a blanket, and I'm going to introduce you to my two little daughters. This one on the left is Riley. She's being a little shy right now.
My name is Mackenzie Cat. Welcome to Coast to Coast, and right now we're putting on our aprons and our hats on before we cook, because we don't want to get our clothes dirty or our hair dirty. I have pink paper.
And what about Mackenzie?
Mackenzie have a blue paper.
A blue apron?
Mm-hmm. Blue, Daddy, very good. And you have black!
Yep, I'm wearing black, huh?
A very important part of cooking is you have to wash your hands first.
That's right.
And we are about to make piggies in a blanket.
Okay, pigs in a blanket takes 3 ingredients. Can you tell me about those 3 ingredients?
Hot dogs and cheese and cousin rolls.
Perfect. And what's the first thing we have to do?
First thing we have to, so my sister Riley is gonna pull the wrapper off of it. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna smack it on the table and then it's gonna open. Then we have to roll it out. Roll it up. Now we're gonna get the hot dogs and my dad's gonna slice it because me and Riley don't want to cut ourselves. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put pieces of cheese in that hot dog.
They're gonna go inside?
Yep. They're gonna go inside the hot dogs. And then we're gonna roll it up with the
Crescent rolls?
With the crescent rolls.
Mm-hmm.
Kenzie baked one and I baked one. So, and then we're gonna put the blue mat onto the tray. And me and Riley are going to put the hot dogs on the tray. We're gonna put it in the oven and we're gonna set it at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. We tell our Google, hey Google, set timer for 10 minutes. Now we have to put it out of the oven. And my dad's showing you how tasty they are. And we're gonna put it on our plates. We're gonna have to be careful because it's really hot. Both of us get one. Riley did it and then I did it. We started blowing on it because it was really hot. Then I started smelling it.
You love smelling stuff, don't you?
Yep. Some things that I don't know what they smell like, I just smell them.
Yep. How did this smell?
It smelled delicious.
Perfect.
It smelled like cookie dough. And then Dad gave us some ketchup. First me and then Riley. He gave us a bunch. And he also gave us yogurts. Then my dad gave us some crackers. Riley goldfish, me just other crackers. Now we have to taste them. This is the really good tasting part. Riley started eating them and they were delicious. They were 2 thumbs up and we loved them. That was our first time eating them, and my dad's dad, which is my papa, he showed my dad how to cook them, and they were delicious.